Dewey. Wee Dewey. Oh, was that a bird? Come on. What? You want Bear to come out? Let's get Bear. Come on, Bear. Come on. Come on, Stewie. Let's go. Let's go. Your trails are all open. Yeah. See, your trails are open, Bear. Check that out. Yeah. What? His feet getting cold? What? Be good. What? No. You want to go in now? Did Mommy do a good job? Did Mommy do a good job? She did. Did Mommy do a good job cleaning your trails? Did Mommy do it? Let's go. What? What do you think? Where's Purdue? Where's Purdue? Where is he? Dewey. Where's Purdue? Where's Bear? Where's Bear? Let's go in. No, we're not going in that way. We're going to go in through the garage, okay? Alright. Let's go in. Come on. Bear, want to go in? Alright, let's go in. Let's go in. We're going to bring the Jeep and the truck back in the yard.